Namo Nama everyone. So now today we'll be continuing further with the story The Talkative Barber. So now let's move ahead. I have enough food for you, the Sultan exclaimed. But he ordered that all the food prepared for his feast be brought in. So now the Sultan was getting restless. When the barber told him that he should first show him the feast which was prepared so that he can inspect that it is enough for his 5 friends, that made Sultan furious. Sultan told him that he has enough food for him, but still he ordered that all the food should be brought inside. The barber looked over the food and said, "This is very good, but I shall want some fruit for the dessert also." The Sultan, in desperation, since his head was half shaved, ordered that the fruits should also be brought in. So now the barber was wasting more time in inspecting all the dishes which the Sultan offers to him. When he was inspecting, he told the Sultan that this is very good, all of this food is very nice, but I will need fruits also, because I have to offer dessert also to my friends, right? So now the Sultan was quite desperate. He was getting restless. So he agrees to each and every wish of the talkative barber. When the barber tells him that he wants fruits, the Sultan orders that the fruits should also be brought in. The barber left off shaving the Sultan to examine each dish separately. This took up half an hour. Now the barber left the Sultan half shaved, and now he wants to inspect each and every dish separately. So he is going and looking at each and every dish, and this took almost half an hour. The Sultan stamped his feet impatiently, but the barber did not hurry. At length, however, he again took up the razor, but after a few minutes of work, stopped suddenly and cried, "I never knew that you were so generous." So now the Sultan was getting desperate. He stamped his feet, but the barber did not hurry at all. He took his sweet time in examining each and every dish. So after the barber is content, he again takes his razor and starts shaving the head. At last he again takes a break, once again, and exclaims that he was not aware that the Sultan was so generous. So here, what do you think? Was the Sultan really generous? No. Here the case was just that the Sultan was wanting to get rid of him at any cost, right? So with this, we have come to an end to the story The Talkative Barber. The story tells us that we should not be extra talkative and focus on our job. Otherwise, people will get annoyed with us easily, right? So this is one of the stories from the Arabian Nights. Now in the next video, we'll be continuing further with the summary of the story. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.